Guys, I'm Ricardo. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious caldo verde. It is a traditional Portuguese soup and is one of our family's favorites. Hope you enjoy. Here are all the ingredients you need: a chicken bouillon, Portuguese chouriço, onions, garlic, salt and pepper, a bunch of collard greens, and potatoes. Also start boiling 6 cups of water. Wash and clean your potatoes and peel them. Dice your potatoes into cubes. Dice half an onion. Now you want to dice 5 cloves of garlic. Chop your chouriço into very thin pieces. Chop up your collard greens in 1 centimeter pieces. Now add a pinch of salt to your boiling hot water and then add in your chicken bouillon. Add in your potatoes. Add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil, your onions, and your garlic. Mix until it's caramelized. Once your potatoes are fully cooked, puree them. Then add in onion and garlic. Put your chouriço on a medium-high heat pan. Add your collard greens to your soup and mix them in. Once your chouriço starts to gain color, you want to add it to your soup. Let the soup cook for another 10 minutes and then serve. If you like this video, please drop a like and subscribe to see future content. And follow me on Instagram at cooking with _Ricardo.